Hello everyone. I haven't been around for a while. I've been busy doing design work, but I had a bit of spare time the other week, so I decided to have a go at looking at the SoundDock 10 and the solution for getting some really high quality audio into the SoundDock 10. I'm not talking about the cheap, nasty chipsets they've got in here. This is the Layam one. These are designed to plug onto, this is the module from the front of the SoundDock 10, 30 pin iPod connector. They plug onto there, like that, or something like that. Kind of dangle around in the breeze. And then it takes power, you get rudimentary Bluetooth. And the main problem with this solution is that there is a down conversion from digital to baseband audio here. And it goes into the iPod connector and then back in here, and in here there's another baseband analog audio to digital conversion, which is not a particularly high resolution one. So you end up with two conversions, and the distortion and loss of signal quality you get each time you do a conversion, and they're not very good conversions either, so they are lossy. You lose loss of sound quality, clarity, ringing high notes. When you hear a jumble of music, you can't pick out the individual instruments or the notes in the music. And if you like that sort of thing, what we used to call very high fidelity, then this is not the solution for you. Now, Bose used to make this thing, which was a SoundDock 10 Bluetooth audio adapter based on technology that's probably 10 or 12 years old. Very poor quality. If you ever listen to one of these, you'll know it's not as good as an iPod with the old tech Bluetooth. It's lossy, it's low bandwidth, not great. And if we on the back of this, there's these heat staking pegs, plastic pegs, which normally melted over into a small mushroom that looks like that. Basically, you can see those mushrooms down there. Not mushroom. Well, you slice those off, and you can get inside. I've done what I prepared here, give it a shake and then the board will fall out. Okay, so you've got the antenna. It's obviously very low gain, very old fashioned chipset, old tech, old sound quality, not worth bothering with. I've seen a load of these. They seem to fail a lot, I don't know why, but I never bothered to fix them because I didn't think they were worth it. But they're no longer manufactured. So if you want Bluetooth for your dock, you're faced with getting something like this that goes through the old-fashioned route of the analog to digital, or digital to analog and analog back to digital at low bandwidth, right? But what I discovered when I was messing about with my SoundDock is that on here is an ident. A couple of these pins are linked in different ways to tell the dock what source device is connected. And one of the ones, the idents, I've discovered works with 24-bit 48 kilohertz PCI digital audio, which is what the HD Bluetooth uses. Okay, so what I've done is I've engineered a solution in here that converts this thing into this thing, which is an HD Bluetooth. You can see we've got there's a ribbon cable between the base and the main board, and in here is the Qualcomm HD AptxHD LLC HD Bluetooth chipset. Now, if you're interested in the difference between this and that, or this and this solution, that pants, then you need to try this, because even though I say so myself, it is the signal that the SoundDock 10 has been waiting for. 24-bit high definition lossless audio directly into the Bluetooth chip. And I've just popped this out. This one's not glued in yet. There's a self-adhesive sticky surround that goes on here, which goes onto there to hold it in position. You can see you've got your ribbon cable connector, and there's a small ribbon cable goes through there and into this ribbon socket here. It's quite easy to put together. So you've got the base board and you've got this Bluetooth board, microprocessor and all the rest of it, support chips. But this feeds 24-bit 48 kilohertz PCI high definition stereo audio straight into the dock sound processor with no conversions whatsoever. So when you hear it, you will understand that you need one of these for your dock. Okay, now it's what is it? It's mid-November 2023, and we've shipped 150 of these pieces. Now it's going on general release. So on the website soon, the Invivo website, you look in the link below, you can buy these, and the video will be following shortly. It will show you how to do the label sticking on and how to attach the ribbon cable and to get it going. But I won't bother playing you any music through it at the moment, because you won't be able to hear the benefit over once it's been through the microphone, the conversion process, and through YouTube, which doesn't support the same level of audio that this does. You won't hear the difference. But to give you an overview, really, if you've got something like Spotify and you're streaming at the highest bitrate for Spotify on a standard track, you will hear a significant difference in the clarity and the dynamic range of the music. But if you go to an audio file, the new 24-bit audio test tracks or audio file tracks encode in 24-bit HD, then you will hear a tremendous difference when played on SoundDock 10. So yeah, a great upgrade for the SoundDock 10. It'll sound better than you've ever heard it. That's a guarantee. Honestly, a guarantee. Okay, so hope you found that interesting. If you like this, there'll be more videos of all my other stuff. You can see the little titty button down in the corner. If you can hit that and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. And also leave me a like if you can, because I like likes. Anyway, that's it. If you want to get one of these, look on the Invivo website, link below. It's a kit. You don't need any screwdrivers. You literally slice off these button mushrooms on the bottom, remove that board, fit this one, fit the ribbon cable, this one and that one, glue it in there. The ribbon cable comes out, and you just carefully attach the ribbon cable here, push the lever down, and then put it together. And you can put some little, once you've tested it, you can put some little blobs of glue on the pegs to hold it in position. Okay, and then you just slot that back in your dock. But there's a separate video on that. Hope you found that interesting. It's a cool thing. I love it. I can't stop listening to my dock now. But anyway, thanks for watching.